The importance of fire safety in rural communities. Tips for homeowners. Living in rural areas offers a unique lifestyle filled with tranquility, wide open spaces, and a closer connection to nature. Unlike urban environments where fire departments are typically nearby, rural communities often face longer response times and limited resources when it comes to combating fires. That's why it's crucial for homeowners in rural areas to prioritize fire safety measures to protect their families, homes, and surrounding landscapes. Bryan Winquist, a resident of Somerville, Tennessee, understands the importance of fire safety in rural communities firsthand. With his background in firefighting and environmental health and safety management, Winquist emphasizes the need for homeowners to take responsibility for protecting their properties. Defensible space involves clearing vegetation and other flammable materials from the immediate vicinity of the house to create a buffer zone that helps prevent fire from spreading. In addition to creating defensible space, homeowners in rural communities should also develop comprehensive emergency plans to prepare for wildfires. Creating evacuation plans. Identify multiple evacuation routes from your property and establish a meeting point for family members to gather in the event of a wildfire. Assembling emergency kits. Prepare emergency kits containing essential supplies, such as water, non-perishable food, first aid supplies, flashlights, and batteries to sustain your family in the event of an evacuation. Staying informed. Stay informed about wildfire risks in your area by signing up for emergency alerts and monitoring local news and weather reports. By creating defensible space, developing emergency plans, and staying informed about wildfire risks, homeowners can take essential steps to enhance fire safety in their communities. By working together and implementing these tips, rural homeowners can help safeguard their families, homes, and landscapes from the devastating effects of wildfires.